Welcome back, this is Nick Agriam. In this series of videos, I will be discussing sequences and series. We will start with a sequence. For example, we have a sequence, the easiest. We have 3, 5, 7, 9, and so on. As you can see here, we have the difference between the two. We are adding 2 from the previous term, and a sequence can be indefinite, like what I put here with the dots. That means it is indefinite, but it is also definite if I'm going to write, for example, 9, 16, and 25, for example. So this is a definite sequence. But usually in mathematics, we're dealing with the indefinite sequence. And in mathematics, it is important that we can recognize a pattern in a set of numbers, describe the pattern in words, and continue the pattern. And like what I said, there are members, and if the members are indefinite, then it is infinite sequence, and if it's not, then finite it is. Okay, let's take an example. Describe the sequence 14, 17, 20, and 29. The start value, or the start term, is 14, and because of the dots, we know that this is an infinite sequence. And as you can see, 14, it became 17 for the next term, and it became 20 and 23. That means it adds up 3 from the previous term, or it is 3 more than the previous term. And then we're supposed to write down the next two. So we have 23, and then the next term should be 26, and then 29. Okay, next. Describe the following number patterns and write down the next 3 terms. As you can see, we have 1, 4, 9, 16. The first is 1, and I can say that it should be like this. The first term is 1 raised to 2. The second term is 2 raised to 2. The third term is 3 raised to 2. And then we have 4 raised to 2. Raised to 2. And then the next term again will become 16 raised to 2. Then we have 5 raised to 2, that means 25. And then we have 6 raised to 2, that means 36. And then we have 7 raised to 2, 49. So the next 3 terms will be 25, 36, and then 49. B, it's almost similar to A, but this time we have 1 raised to 3. Why? Because I can say 2 raised, because 8 is also 2 raised to 3, and 27 is 3 raised to 3, and 64 is 4 raised to 3. So the next 3 terms should be 5 raised to 3, 6 raised to 3, and then 7 raised to 3. Then we have 125. 36 times 6 will be 216, and then what will be 49 going multiplied by 7. Then we have 9 times 7, 63, 28, 34. So it is 3, 4, 3. Control your answer. I'm going to control my answer if I did it right. 6 raised to 3 is 216, and then 7 raised to 3 is 343. Okay. How about this one? We have 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 plus 6 is 12, and then 12 plus 8 is 20. That means our next term will be added by 10, and then after that we have 12, and then after that we have 14. So if we have 20 plus 10, we have 30. And then 30 plus 12, we have 42. And then we have 42 plus 14, we have 56. So those are the 3 terms. Okay, in my next video, I will be discussing the general term of a number sequence, because finding just the next terms or 3 terms, they are not too exciting for you, especially if you want to be better in mathematics. So the next term will be a little more challenging for you, the general term of a number sequence. And thank you for watching. See you soon.